Hey guys, welcome to Fox Answers, where I answer questions from Yahoo Answers for your enjoyment. Today, the question is an environment subject, and it says, why is the climate on Mars suitable for instruments which work there? Now that's interesting because I didn't know before going in on this that there were instruments that worked on Mars. You don't think of, a piano or an oboe or a clarinet or a trombone working on Mars. But it turns out that they actually do work on Mars. For one reason, I'll give you, is that they actually do have some kind of air on Mars. It's not breathable by human standards, but there is some kind of, it's not oxygen, but they have, carbon monoxide, different kind of things. So that allows sound to be carried on Mars. They've also have gravity, and that's another important part of playing an instrument. We need gravity to make sure that the strings vibrate. So you can actually play a piano on Mars. You can play a violin, a cello. All these instruments actually do work on Mars, and that's why it's suitable. Mars has a climate similar to Earth in the way that it has gravity, it has gas, and these are things that are essential for playing instruments on the Earth. And so when you look into it, there are certain instruments that do not work on Mars. And I'll tell you why. The gravity is not quite the same on Mars. So things like the trombone, it's so much bass. Even the bass, a large wooden bass or a bass guitar would not work on Mars. And that's the reason. The gases on Mars are not fit to carry those kind of sound waves. They're too low, they're too wide. And so that's the reason some instruments are suitable to work on Mars and some instruments are not suitable. Things like the oboe do work on Mars a little bit. And so that should answer your question about why some things work on Mars, some things don't. We'll catch you guys next time on Fox Answers, and thanks for stopping by.